Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and on today's video we are going to be cleaning and organizing my messy fridge. Then later on I'm going to go to the market and get some grocery shopping done, some green grocery that is. Later on I'm going to cook some local traditional vegetables and I'm going to share my special recipe, so stick around for that also. First things first, I'll be removing everything from the refrigerator, including all the storage shelves. Guys, I filmed this video about a month ago and I thought I had lost it. I thought I deleted it and sent it to the recycle bin already, but then I bumped into it a few days ago and I just had to post it. I always deep clean my refrigerator after about 2 to 3 months. Yeah, but in between I do some weekly cleaning, weekly refresh and disinfecting. I have blurred out the bloody stain that was on my freezer to cater for people who are sensitive to the sight. Yeah, we got the stain from some meat that was not wrapped properly. These are the detergents I'll be using today. I'll be using some dishwashing liquid, some Velvex disinfectant with some alcohol and vinegar. I always start off cleaning using a scouring pad and dishwashing cloth, and then I come in with an absorbent cloth to rinse off the soap, and I dip it in some clean water mixed with vinegar. And lastly, I spray the Velvex disinfectant and buff it up with some kitchen paper towel. And that is the procedure I repeat all throughout.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city, and I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
And we are all done. The fridge is looking so clean, so fresh and crisp. And I just love how the Velvex disinfectant leaves the fridge smelling so sweetly. I love it. I love it. I will totally recommend it anytime, any day. After I arranged everything back inside, I went to the market and I got some really fresh vegetables. They were so fresh. I just had to get enough to do some batch cooking. So I have saga over here, then I also have mchicha over here, and this is spinach and this is sukuma wiki. So I'm not going to mix all of them together. I'll cook each separately, except for these two. So these two I'm going to mix them, but for the rest I'll cook differently. Then I also got some coriander. Is this coriander or parsley? I'm not quite sure. Yeah, I got these ones. I called all of them Dania. So I'm back from the market and these are the items I got. I got some green bananas for matoke and these were going for 3 for 20 shillings. So I got 3 pieces. So in total 60 shillings. And then I got some cabbages. They're already washed and chopped. So these were going for 60 shillings. And I got tomatoes which were going for 10 each, and I got for 200 shillings. I also got some onions were going for 150 per kg. Yeah, 150 per kg. So yeah, it was a good bargain. I also got some green peas. This is green peas. I don't normally use this in my stew a lot, so I got just a little bit for a certain recipe that I want to do. Yeah, so this was going for 50 shillings per glass, and I got two, so these were 100 shillings. And then I saw okra and I craved it immediately, and I got each of these for 50 shillings. Yeah, apparently okra is so expensive over here. I don't know why. I got some yellow, green and red capsicum. These two were going for 40 shillings, and this was going for 20 shillings. And then I got some plantain, and these plantains were 233. I got this from Quickmart. And then I also got a mango. I didn't want to buy from this particular trader because he was selling them quite expensive, and I just wanted to eat a mango today. But I know of a place where they sell them cheap, so that's where I'll visit next. Then I got these avocados. These were 40 shillings each. Yeah. So these were the main reasons why I went to the market today. And I also got some eggs. Yeah, these are going to last a long time because I don't use eggs a lot. But yes, so these were the main reasons why I had to go to the market. I didn't have onions and tomatoes at all, and I always love having enough stock in the house in case maybe you want to fix a quick meal. I don't have to rush outside to go buy them. Yeah, so these are the things I want to get from the market, and I just want to wash them and store them away. Yeah, so let's do it, guys. Now that means the next grocery shopping I'll be focusing more on cereals. Cereals are one of my favorite food items. I love beans, I love lentils, I love green grams. Yeah, so maybe on the next video I'll probably be doing batch cooking of the same, and just show all my recipes on all the cereals I'll have gotten.
Let it burn, let it burn. If the altar's where you meet us, take me there, take me there. If what you need is just an offering, it's right here. My life is here. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. You take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. If your glory wants to come in, let it fall. We want it all. Your fire is consuming. Fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire. Yeah, yeah.
I have the onions ready for the vegetables, and these are the spinach washed and chopped. And I also have the saga washed, chopped and boiled. The same with the mchicha. And I'm going to be cooking all of them simultaneously because by this time I was getting so tired. Yeah, so I just heat up some oil in all the 3 cooking pots. And then I'm going to add the onions and fry them until they are just a little bit translucent. I love onions and I don't want to lose the oniony taste from them. So just a little bit of just let them cook a little bit. Then you're going to add the vegetables.
I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, yeah, yeah. Purified, Lord, take whatever you desire, yeah. Lord is my life. It's gonna burn for me to say this. Let it burn, let it burn. It's gonna burn for me to say this, yeah, yeah, yeah.
I let the vegetables cook a little bit before I add the Royco beef cubes. This is one of my secret recipes. I love them so much. They make each and every food taste so good. So depending on the quantity of the vegetables, I'll add. On the spinach, I just added 1. On the saga, I added 1. But on the mchicha, I added 2. Then I'll just let them cook a little bit more, and also added some salt. And one thing I always do is chop the vegetables in big sizes if I'm going to be batch cooking. That is just to ensure that they do not dissolve much. And once it's well cooked, I'm going to add some milk. And when I add milk generously, because we are going to let it simmer for some time and the milk is going to evaporate. So add generously. So just let it simmer down until the soup turns green and it looks like it's curdling. And once they're ready, I'll let them cool down and transfer them to some storage containers.
Say a prayer when I wake up in the morning. Lord, I need you now. Lord, I need you now, yeah. When I'm with you, you got me feeling like I'm soaring high above the clouds, high above the clouds. I know you're coming, he's coming back. Time is of the essence, gotta get it right now. When you try to teach me, I should have learned my lessons, but I'm gonna get it right. You said you'll never leave my side. Got up your word, you'll never lie. In every need you will supply. Yeah. When I'm in trouble, I know you'll hide me. And when I'm lost, I know you got me. Got me. And if I wander off, I know you'll find me. You'll find me. But I need you right beside me. Lord, I need you right beside me. This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste. This joy deep down inside me, I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be.